Hey y'all, I'm at South Beach in Miami, Florida, United States of America. Woo! We are an American family of 7, living, working, and loving Brazil. Welcome to the adventures of our Brazilian life. Bom dia! I am here at my Airbnb in Miami. It's this really cute house and I love it because it has a bathtub, like an actual bathtub. I have not seen or been in a bathtub since I moved to Brazil. Out of all the places we've stayed or been to, I've not seen a bathtub. So Brazilians, I'm gonna show you what you would find in every American home, apartment in the United States. It's a tub. So kids love taking baths and so do adults, and I'm one of them. I love a good hot bath. So I'm gonna show you in the bathroom what a bathtub is. Check it out. Okay, so this is a shower and a bathtub. So you come, you can close the shower curtain. You can take this off the handle, reach those hard to reach places if you wanna take a shower. And then this is how you turn on the water. So turn this on. First you get the plug and you stop the water so it won't drain. And then turn on the hot water. Super stoked. I've been taking baths almost every day because I miss it so much. So don't mind me. I'm gonna go take a bath. Okay, so I went and bought Mr. Teal's Epsom salt and foam bath so I can get my soak on. This is eucalyptus and spearmint, so this is gonna be a good spa experience right now. Okay, I'm at Starbucks. I got a hot chocolate, got these amazing egg bites, and a donut. Okay, I came walking out of the store and I spotted my old car. Okay, I used to have a gigantic, awesome Suburban just like this one. Black, it looks exactly the same. I miss it. On American soil for the first time in 14 months and it feels awesome. It's been such a great trip. I've been shopping and eating Thai food and Taco Bell and all the things I can't get in Brazil. I'm here without the kids and the husband, so I've been relaxing, getting my nails done, taking a bath, coming to the beach. So it's been an awesome week. I stepped off the plane and people were speaking English. They were speaking English and I loved it. I could understand everything and it was great. I miss speaking English. I love learning Portuguese and I'm slowly learning that too, but there is nothing like being home. Woo! South Beach has the cutest lifeguard towers. Check it out. Oh, what is that? Getting ready to have lunch at one of my favorite spots, Taco Bell. So my favorite things at Taco Bell are the Mexican pizza, on point, crispy, crunchy, delicious, and a chalupa. So I'm getting ready to eat. Super excited. And then my other favorite things about Taco Bell is the hot sauce packages, because they always have cute little messages on there. And this one says, "I'm the hot one." And this one says, "Are you gonna finish that?" I think it's funny. It's cute. These jackets in Brazil at all. I'm up in Costco. Whoop whoop. This used to be my favorite store. I shopped here all the time for clothes and food. Super excited to be back. There's a store that's similar to this in Brazil. It's called Atacadão, and they sell bulk foods. Okay, this is what I came here for. I miss my North American cheese. Check this out. We have Havarti, we've got provolone, we've got feta. Oh, I missed you so much. And extra sharp cheddar cheese. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's the other thing I miss. All the free samples. All the free samples at Costco are awesome. Pretty much just come here for lunch. You guys, this is like home to me. I'm like so nostalgic right now, walking through Costco, looking at all the food we used to eat. Hi. Eggnog. All right, so I'm in Miami, and of course I had to find a Brazilian restaurant to see if they really know how to make Brazilian food. And now I can be the judge of that. So here we are, we're at a restaurant called Boteca Cabana. Boteca Copacabana. Oi, brasileiro restaurant. Você fala português? Fala português? Não, não brasileiro restaurante. Alright, so this is a Brazilian restaurant in Miami. I'm checking out their menu, and they have pão de queijo, coxinha de frango, they have picanha, they also have frango grillado, stroganoff de frango. They have all kinds of good stuff. And also I see that they have muqueca. They have muqueca com camarão, $31. I just got my food and it looks delicious. Let's see how it tastes. That's great. That is really good. The shrimp was delicious. And look what I'm having for dessert. Brigadeiro. Let's see if they know how to make it right. It's very good, and it tastes like Brazilian brigadeiro. I'm in the airplane right now. I'm flying LATAM all the way back to my home in Salvador, Brazil. It was a great weekend in Miami, Florida. It was good to be back on US soil. I had a wonderful week. It was just me, no kids, no husband. And so I got to relax and chill and read books, go to the beach, take baths. But then I also got Christmas shopping done and got a lot of things done as well. And I love Miami. It was really cool, really diverse, and beautiful too. It reminded me a little bit of Brazil with just all the palm trees and the tropical weather. So I was super stoked to eat some of my favorite foods that I haven't had in over a year, which of course would be Taco Bell, Thai food. I had lots of cheese. So all the cheeses that I can't find in Brazil, good cheddar, Havarti, Gouda. So I had a great time back in my country, and I love it. I love the United States and I love Brazil, and I feel really blessed to get to experience both. I am headed home to Salvador. I'm on this awesome new flight. It's a direct flight from Salvador to Miami, so I'm gonna fly through the night, wake up in Salvador, and that'll be perfect. One quick question. If any of you know where to find any Thai food in Salvador, please let me know. Thai food or Indian food. I miss that so much. So if you know of any restaurants, please let me know in the comments. And love you guys. See you soon. Ciao.
Boy.